Okay, hey guys, how's it going? Right now what we are doing is we've set up in GarageBand a program, or a track, in which Aaron can speak into, and it'll play it back to him with, what, half a second? Less than that.
Less than that.
Like a fraction of a second delay.
1/16?
1/16 a second delay.
1/16.
And now, Aaron's gonna tell us about what he does for a living.
My name is Aaron. I'm a web developer because I write code for particular applications. For example, I do some software for a camp that needs a bunch of medical information. So,
I'm gonna pee. It's so funny.
I've been writing a piece of software that uses Cassandra it's a new type of database and analysis engine. It compiles a dynamic index. I can't do it. It's so weird.
Okay, so today we shot a video.
Why
Keep going.
am I in
Keep
the
going.
camera shot?
Today we shot a video in which Aaron decides that it'll be an amazing compliment. Well,
Me and Brady will wash all the dishes if you try it. All of them. We probably would have done it anyways. But. Emily.
So I took some brown sugar and salt and pepper and cayenne pepper and I just rubbed it all over them.
I find as soon as you're trying to say something, it just starts getting really rambled together. It's just I can't say what's weird.
You would be the worst at it. Because you...
I'm trying really hard not to do it. It just comes out this way on its own. Weird. So I was walking down the street and I saw my friend Chris and he was wearing a blue shirt, but he kind of had he was wearing a blue shirt with bee pants, and I couldn't really look at him because I was just really funny at the way he looked with the girl. Blue shirt, green pants that just don't go together because. It's when you're not focusing on what you're saying and you just start listening to the sound that your voice is making. We showed Emily the Gangnam Style video today. I think she'd already seen it, but it's just it was on Ellen, and they got the guy who is actually in the Gangnam Style video to come onto the show and show Ellen how to do the Gangnam Style video.
Did I sound weird like that?
Not that bad. Alright, so what's absolutely amazing...
Keep going. It's gotta be fast. You gotta just let it keep going.
What's absolutely amazing about these is that it makes you ramble on in a way that you wouldn't be able to... You wouldn't be able to... I can't do that word.
Keep going.
Do you have headphone splitters?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How much wood a wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck a woodchuck wood?
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, fuzzy.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, Fuzzy Wuzzy was a Fuzzy Wuzzy.
Wow! Try the woodchuck one again.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
No.
Yes!
What? You're amazing. What really gets you is when you try and just power right through it.
I love
Try and just
Dr.
finish.
Pepper.
Say.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper with cherry in it. Yeah, so today we shot a video about Aaron on the potty. Now I've got a lovely bunch
Bunch of coconuts. Doodly-doo.
There they are, standing in a row.
Bum,
Bum, bum, bum.
Big ones, small ones, some as big as you can hide. Give them a twist, a flick of the wrist. The delay is too long, it's too easy to talk.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm not talking that weird, am I?
You're not talking normal.
I feel like I'm talking, I'm not gonna... It sounds normal in my headphones and when I'm talking. Well, a little bit funny sometimes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Damn it.
I am the very model of a German elementary general. I've information fetched out of Amarillo. About binomial theorem, I'm teaming with a lot of news. With many trivial facts, I thought that was square the hypotenuse.